GTA mount kasi nanggaling yung shot na to or yung itsura nito doon sa sikat na game sa PlayStation, yung GTA. Ang setup nito is nasa likod ang ating selfie stick. It has to be at least 1.5 or 2 meters long and it will give you this very awesome shot. Parang mayroong sumusunod sa inyo na cameraman or drone camera. The only limitation dito sa mounting na to is that nasa likod yung camera nyo. So, you have to be sure na talagang secure siya. Otherwise, pag maluwag ang pagkakakabit nyo, there's a high tendency na malaglag yung camera from the mounting stick. Pero I have to say, this is one of the best output na makukuha nyo when it comes to motovlogging. Fifth mount natin is the bottom side mount.